How's it going, people, ladies, gentlemen, and candlestick prophets, aka Forex Traders? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Raphael, founder of Forex Cruisers and Zilla University. Alright, so what do? It's very simple. I come out here, I predict the markets, predict and enlighten you guys on what to trade, especially major pairs. That's what I trade, major pairs. Okay, the euro dollar, GBP USD, AUD USD, gold, US oil, and then trade indices. That's Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq with US oil. I guess that's all. Yeah, that's all. So that's it, guys. So I'm back again. I know I've been away. I've been away for like a month. Sorry, a year and 4 months. Sorry, a year and 4 months, guys. I'm sorry. I've been very busy. See, you need to understand that sometimes life would call you. Okay, I went to go and answer one of those calls from life. So, but I'm back though. The very day, or the moment you test forex money, forex profits, trust me, you can't go back. You're not living, guys. I came back for two reasons. One is that I love you all. You all know that now. Come on, we trade, make money, make stacks here. Second reason is this, that I have the passion in this industry. Okay, I've got the passion. Like I just want to be here, analyze, predict, click buttons, make money, and chill. The lifestyle, just click buttons and chill. That's what we want to do here, right? Click buttons, go offline and chill. That's the whole mindset, the whole bias, the whole dream. And just some some Lamborghinis. You feel me? All right, so enough. All right, enough of the whole gist. Let's do all in. Now the euro dollar, guys. It's been years. It's looking like years, but for me, it's just looking like last week, because this is my favorite pair. I always come here. I always trade this pair every freaking day. So I wouldn't want to touch this guy. Let me use a different euro USD. It's my personal provider. I can't just mess up this FX here. Let me use somebody else. 8 cap, okay? You guys can do the trick. Sorry. Alright, so the euro dollar. Now what's euro USD doing? Let me explain something now, okay? Because I've been watching everybody since. I've been watching everyone is just saying the same thing. The euro is ranging, it's going up, it's going down, it's dancing, it's doing that, it's playing I don't know, like, guys, learn the habit of zooming out, scaling out, okay? Go to HTFs, higher time frames, 1 month, 3 months, 1 week, the daily. Go over there and understand the overall market direction. Get what I'm saying, fam? Let me say something. Let me just put it away now. Let's say you go to a battlefield, or you're fighting a war. You're having a war. Who do you think would win the war? Is it those with jet fighters, like you got control over the sky, or those with horses and armor trucks on land? Definitely those with jet fighters will win, because they've got more advantage. They're in the sky, like they're seeing everything down. So the same thing applies down here in Forex as well. Okay, you shouldn't always be on lower time frames. It will blind you slowly. So blind you slowly. The euro dollar is very interesting pair. Let me explain. Okay, so whilst I was offline for the past year and 4 months, I was learning. Guys, learning never ends, especially in Forex. It evolves. You have to keep on going, keep on growing if you want to stay for the long term here. If you want to make money, if you want to grow yourself, you have to be open to learn, because market will keep on evolving to teach you. The moment you say you don't want to learn, you go hog stop loss. No two words about that. So the dollar is very simple, or the euro is very simple. Let me explain. First of all, we zoom this stuff, okay? Now listen up, guys. It gets interesting from here. What is dollar doing? Very simple. This is a lower or a higher low, a higher high. a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. This is not yet done. Okay, for this low to be called a new higher low, this high needs to be taken out, and for this low to be called like a broken low, this guy needs to take out this low, so around here. So everything now boils down to this region. We map it out. These are area of interest for now. Map it out. Okay, then keep on looking left, guys. Always look left. Everything I'm doing here, look left. Well, the market prints itself from the left to the right and not the inverse. So what is the Euro USD doing? It's very simple. Higher trend line, higher price actions is a bullish PA, but you see, this is Euro USD's major turning point, or major trend line, not turning point, sorry. This guy now, since 1986 or 1985, we've been holding this trend line or this market for a bullish, bullish playouts. Second touch came, the third touch was what had some issues and it broke. The fourth touch messed everything up. If I draw it the same way like this, it's taking the same thing. Now, if you guys know, if you pretty much understand price action very well, and if you pretty much use trend lines, you can already start to tell and start to dissect that this guy is printing sales, because a bullish trend is a bullish trend as long as we maintain ourselves above that trend line. But the moment price breaks that trend line, everything is likely going to change. Okay, it's likely going to change. Guys, I'm having a catarrh, so my voice is not the best tune. Okay, so permit me, please. Alright, so the euro dollar now has broken its ascending trend line. The major ascending trend line has been broken. That's the first red flag that this bullish run is coming to an end. Okay, on a structural standpoint, Euro USD is bullish, but substructural standpoints. Now, let me explain what I just said now. Guys, I would elaborate more on this video, so please try to learn well as you can. This is a bullish trend. This is structure. Now there's what we call substructure, the inner trend within the overall trend. You feel me? Good and fine. This is it. So Euro USD's current substructure is bearish, whilst we are still maintaining the principles of a bullish trend, which is higher highs and higher lows. But this substructure is bearish, giving us a higher high, a higher low, a lower high, a lower low, lower high, a higher low, a lower high, a lower low, and so you feel me, it keeps on going. So what am I saying is very simple now, that Euro dollar is like it's in a region whereby you need to think clearly. A demand is presently waiting for this guy here. Demand is somewhere around that region presently, and currently chilling, awaiting price to approach and tap. Guys, the way I trade is very simple. I use price action techniques. Okay, the Fibonacci's, the trend lines, the S&Rs, the demands, the inducements, the order blocks, the imbalance or FVGs or whatever you call it. I use them down here. Okay, I'm pretty much exposed to every knowledge you can think about. I've been learning for the past year and 4 months. Don't forget that. This is it. The demand is presently around this region, waiting for price to come here and take it and tap before doing anything possible. So I expect the euro dollar to drop for like 2,000 or 2.8k pips. Let me do my mathematics. I will explain why and how right about now. Okay, 2k pips, that's 2,000 pips from downside. So I expect the euro dollar to give us a total of 2,000 pips in the next 2 years or 2 to 3 years if possible. And I'll explain why. First is this trend line has been broken. Okay, and we are putting in bearish substructural price action or bearish price action. Is in a long-term bullish trend, but medium term it is bearish just to fulfill technical levels. You scale out again. This is another trend line descending from the heavens of EURUSD, which is here, and we have gotten a first touch, a second touch, and awaiting a potential third touch. Guys, remember, everything is all boiling onto this region because this current price action somewhere around here. We don't find. So we've got a trend line B on R1, then a trend line potential third touch 2. If I take this out, please permit me. It's out of here. Zoom in. Fibonacci. What do we have? This is a golden Fibonacci. Keep golden zone, aka Willis zone. Okay, this is trend line B on R1, potential third of trend line 2, Fibonacci golden zone 3. Then if I zoom in again, add my mini techniques I use. This is a supply. Okay guys, I would pretty much be explaining things in details because, or should I? Okay, no, I won't. This is YouTube, not my personal, not my mentorship videos. Sorry about that. Well, let me just explain something now. If you guys trade if you trade flip zones or whatever you call it, or however you guys refer it as, it's simply, guys, it's simply support turn resistance. That's just it. So there's a rule in Forex that goes like this: energy produced here, or not really a rule, but something I figured out, that anything the market has done in the past that got disrespected in the past will pretty much get recognition in the present or in the future. Okay, this was once a resistance, sorry, a support, turned resistance, twice again, now supports. So this is energy. This is something that has been formed in the market. So the market can't just ignore it. It must pay respect to it one way or the other, either whilst going up or whilst crashing. So this is it. Some persons might call this the terms they use is like breakout block or flip zones, you know, but as long as you can pretty much understand what the market is doing, all those terms doesn't matter for real. So that's what I figured out so far. If you can detect what the market is printing out, the terms, all those tags, means nothing, bro. Just shit. Okay, so this is simply energy that's been formed. Market will do not obey it one way or the other. It must obey it. Take it out of here. So this is it. There's something here, supply here. Market has ignored it in the past. This whole thing right here is imbalance. I'm seeing market inefficiency here. So market must always pull back to fill it up. Am I going to? It's like I'm going a little bit of. I'm going to in depth. It's unusual, but I'm in the mood. My students might not like what I'm doing, but guys, please, let's just give the world some freebies of our knowledge, okay? Let's just expose some things to them, okay? Lead them the right path. So permit me to share some intel, some personal cruiser intel or cruiser knowledge. No vex, okay? So energy is somewhere around here, floating around here. This is a supply or a demand that pushed price up, but price came down and ignored everything, giving us market inefficiencies. No green guy, no pullback. So I feel like this pullback is doing right about here is just to fill this space up and make this look like a correct, like a real market price action or market movement. Okay, this night is trying to fill up market inefficiency, making it the fourth confluence. First is trend line break and retest. Second is this guy. Third is the Willis zone. Fourth is this filling. This guy wants to come and fill up the gap. That's the fourth. Now, what's the fifth again? What's the fifth here? Look alive. Chill. We've got a real, what you guys call equal highs or anything. This is a double top. It's a double top. It's a neckline. Somewhere around here also. This is this guy's neckline. So when I say I expect the euro dollar to crash, believe me, I've done my math, and this guy is looking at what will fall in the next couple of years. Okay, this is not like the sixth confluence or so. Now another thing to notice is this: in price action, for every impulsive move, there's a corrective move. For every impulsive move, you must see a corrective move, a correction. Market can't just go up, keep on going up. If it is so, you and I won't trade. That's just it. The average retailers won't even click a button, because what you want to do, you want to buy on a bullish trend without no pullback. That's suicidal, bro, for real. So this is an impulsive move, a corrective move. Impulsive move. Sorry. Oh my god, what am I doing? Impulsive move, corrective move. 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 Impulsive move. You feel me? Corrective move. Just to do what? Have another impulsive move. My bias. Good. Guys, I'm trying to build up play. Reasons. Look. Let me tell you how I trade, okay? Before you click a button in these markets, any button by yourself, you need to at least build a case. Build enough reasons why you are clicking that button. Because failure to do so, if you click a button out of your impulse or emotions, you will get injured, you will get burnt. Market will burn you. I'm sorry if you did it on pairs like gold when you were starting. Your own, you're not going to take time. Like it won't take time. You will start seeing your reds on the screen, the SLs, for you. So always build your cases. Always build reasons why you want to click buttons. This is money. This is field of finance. It's not bread, okay? It's not bread, for real. So we've got trend line B on R1, Fibonacci golden zone or Willis zone 2, trend line potential third touch 3, double top neckline 4, all forming Willis zone. Okay, that's 5. Then bearish price action 6, and imbalance for filling 7. That's 7 strong confluence, all pointing way to the downside. But one guy has the power to break this stuff. And who is that? Price action. Price alone. Look, we are forming something like a morning star, but we've got 21 days left for it to end. So this is a morning star appearing here. It's not yet done though, but I feel like, or I'm pretty much anticipating and favoring it to close as a bearish guy, as a rejection to the downside. Once that happens, this guy will drop. Once EURUSD starts printing a sell, like a red guy, let me make it visible. Like if you start printing a red guy around here, like a very bearish guy, this guy is pair will drop. once you see a 3-month bearish candle close, be it bearish engulfing, bearish harami, anything bearish thing, you know that pushes price below the neckline region, this guy will drop, and to drop 2 or 1.7k pips from here to here is okay, 1.5k or 1.6k pips to the downside. That's just it. So everything all boils down to who? Price action. Now another thing to note is this: the overall TP of this double top is this guy. You doubt me? Let me explain. The overall TP of this guy is this guy. So guys, yeah, with the Forex screws now, okay? Calm down. I will explain things in the best way possible, in the best manner possible, and the best approach out there. Price action techniques, not indicators, not algos. No, none of those shit's gonna work down here, man. So the overall TP for this double top is this guy. I'm favoring EU to the downside. So don't be surprised when you come out here and you see the EURUSD falling the next 2 years or so. Just tune to Alex Raphael's channel on YouTube and watch this video, and then know that yes, it was said some time ago. It was predicted some time ago. Magician. Guys, just learn how to trade price action. I will show you something at the end of the video. Just stick to the end, okay? I will show you something at the end of this video, so stick to the end of the video, please. That reminds me, guys, please hold on, pause, take like 5 seconds, subscribe and smash the like button. I'm waiting for you guys, okay? Are you guys done? So in 3, 2, 1, smashed. Subscribe and turn on notifications for extra and more videos to come. Is that done? Alright, I trust you. Everything is done. So back to our chart. Now everything is telling us what? Sell, bearish. Only this guy is left, this price action. Okay, so this is impulsive correction move, correcting up to where? The fib golden zone, aka the Willis zone. So this is a major turning point in the market. I expect the euro dollar to sell or start selling. If I see her, guys, 3 months bearish candle close here, hey, someone should use chain and hold me, because what I will do to EURUSD, what cruisers will do to this pair. Everybody who, once you see that sell beneath the yellow bar, you can just plan, trading plan, get your journal your sheets, plan yourself, and then find reasons to sell. Don't sell blindly, please. Find reasons to sell. Only when you've closed above beneath the yellow bar, you can now long term your sales, like sell for the longest. But for now, just short term sales on anything above here and we're good to go. So on the 3-month perspective, we are bearish. Medium term bearish. Overall you're still bullish. Okay, long term bearish. This substructure, this is let me show something now. From here to here, from this place up until here, was a bullish price action, a bullish substructure, but everything changed the moment price broke this low. That's it, everything changed. So this low will change to a bearish market structure and everything. So I feel like we are coming down here. Once you get down here, this will be a turning point for euro dollar. 0.990714. Just make it a round number. Okay. I like round numbers. It's much more easy to memorize. Okay. So EURUSD 3-month perspective is bearish. good and fine. 1 month, what do we have? 1 month, it's still the same thing, just in a detailed appearance. So let me explain that thing again. Price, bullish trend, bearish trend. Price just came up here to fulfill this is a supply. Price came to top, supply is around here. Okay, price tapped supply, sorry, on a golden Fibonacci, natural golden zone, then the short trend line they'll touch anytime soon. All right, let me understand something. Oh yeah, and I forgot to add something for you guys. Okay, the EURUSD always obeys a channel, or it likes forming channel. Take it from me, a free gift from Alex to you guys. EURUSD loves channel and always obeys channel. Like it's like its favorite thing. So I expect EURUSD to crash. We have approached the supportive trend line. Now we are approaching the resistance trend line. Okay, for a second time, something like this, second time. Okay, so I expect price to react here and start crashing to the downside. Let me confirm something. All right, A to B to C to D, D1, D2. Okay, correct. So 1 month is still giving us the bearish price action. Now look at this. If I draw this trend line from here, or I will explain this on a weekly time frame, it's been broken. If I draw it here, it's been broken. Okay, take it here. I'm ignoring this guy, that is not right, but it's still a trend line though, because the rule states you should connect the wicks or turning points of certain price. Okay, let's say on a bullish trend, just connect the wicks, the turning point on that bullish trend, you're cutting your trend line. So this is it, it's still a trend line, but whilst it will be relevant when price or whilst price starts dropping, but for now take care of here. Okay, so I've gotten the overall market bias on EURUSD. Everything is all boiling down to where this green line. And why is this green line? Very simple. I'll show you guys everything. Okay, now let me do some more thing on 3 month time frame. Let me understand something now. Why the market started reversing from here? Let me explain. Okay, A to B to C. This is exhaustion. Okay, so I feel like this place would be the turning point of EURUSD, or the deciding factor of EURUSD. Once EU gets here, then we can now, like this is where I will say that, you know, anything is possible here. Either we go up or we go down. Why am I saying this? Let me explain. From this high to this high, or from this higher low, this higher high, it's a trend. Okay, and also swing low to swing high. Over to Fibonacci. Now I'm hunting for my Zilla zone, a separate tool I use, or separate tool we cruisers use. Okay, under our sleeves. So this is it. This is really zone for now. A to B to C. Now price has broken this golden zone, reacted off of it, still, and while still pointing downside, printed a double top. Like it has just like disobeyed everything. The golden zone. And what's next now is the Zilla zone. This is the Zilla zone Fibonacci. I expect price to at least push in 50%, if not 50, at least 30% of the Zilla zone, if indeed we want to get a reversal. So price just mitigated, or just gave it a French kiss, then right up. This was last year. Sorry guys. So it's last year, right? Yes. Okay, 2 years ago. 2 years ago. Sorry, a year ago. Facts. or what you call it. Okay, 2022. This was it. A French kiss, then rallied up. So if it had dropped so bad to somewhere around here, then I'll know that okay, yes, this is a reversal point. But for now, we are still uncertain of this guy. So I want this guy to drop and fulfill those levels. I'm not like command the market, but it's just my own bias. That's how I trade. Okay, so this is the last zone, A to B to C. We are approaching the C phase of Zilla zone, and if things should play out as planned or as correctly, the EU or euro dollar might drop to this green region, this green line. And if you start seeing bullish price actions, be rest assured you will find euro USD at 1.81600. But this is not the case for now. I'm just predicting. It's not the case for now. This one is like forecasting for the for our third generations or so. Or second generation. It's still far, but I'm just saying something, making points. Okay, if AU should rat off of this region and break this trend line, expect a new all-time high, which also, you know, fulfills the criteria of sorry, okay, good, I'm correct. Impulse correction, impulse. Good and fine. Sorry guys, I'm having a catarrh cold. I don't know, I exposed my body while I was sleeping last night, so catarrh is trying to deal with me. But guys, that catarrh they play. It can't stop me from trying to make some papers, some stacks. This ember month, man. Prepare yourselves. So that's it. EU on a 3-month time frame has been dissected, has been torn apart. They are looking for sells, but we have to make sure the PA here is giving us the same sell pattern we're looking for. If not, we are simply forcing ourselves on euro USD, and that's guilty. You pay. Down to the 1 month, down to the 1 week. All right. But before we get here, guys, give me a minute. Let me add my zones back. Okay, I can't do it while this because it's taking a lot of time. If you want to learn to do this stuff, I will show you by the end of the video. So just stick to the very end, and I would enlighten you guys on how to get and how to learn how to do what I'm doing. All right. Alright, so I've added live to my charts, the blue bars. Now, the euro dollar. Let's continue our analysis. Everything still points to the downside. Everything. This whole trend, corrective move to the upside to either fulfill this trend line or some structures or things inside of this place. I'll show you guys. Then we drop. That's it. So this place represents the yellow bar I was talking about. That is the neckline for this double top I'm seeing right here. So once we clear this neckline, this blue bar, everything here is sell. But for now, let's focus on this region. Now listen up. This is another block somewhere around here. Okay, but price instead paid respect. This turning point happened here was a result of something called market inefficiency, aka imbalance, or FVG. So price came here to pay respect to market inefficiency first things first, before turning points, before the other block, and it has also paid respect to another one inside of here. I will show that on a daily chart. I will explain that one somewhere around there. So this is the turning point of this guy somewhere around here. If you want to know how I got this stuff, I will explain by the end of this video. So somewhere around here houses the turning points, or the FVG or something like that, or what you call it. This is what made markets to reverse, and also from this swing high to this swing low is a Fibonacci Zilla zone. This is a Fibonacci Zilla zone, which tells us what the same green line we're looking out for. It's an area of interest on the market. So I expect some issues. I expect price to react somewhere around here. And notice how the Zilla zone is the green Zilla zone fell right in line with the same level we mapped out, guys. Once your analysis starts to sync with your technical tools, just know that you are solid. You're in a very good spot. Okay, you are doing so well. That's just it. So this is price reacting off of this region. Now this is looking like a bullish trend. Let me clear you on something. Okay, I look for, like, guys, the way I trade is that I trade in market precision. That's just it. I wouldn't say it's the best, but for me it's the best. For me it's the best out there, or one of the best out there. I go for market precision, like the precise time, the accuracy, the reason why it's doing this and why it wants to do this, or why it's trying to, just like trying to know what exactly. I don't assume, anticipate. It's either yes or no. That's my own. Okay, either is yes or no. Anything in between, I'm not interested. Okay, now it's looking like this is a bullish trend from here to, but let me shock you guys again. The moment you learn structure, market structure, believe me, the moment you learn market structure, everything you would see, everything here would start giving you reasons and bias why it might not hold, or it would hold, or you start knowing things truly how they are. Okay, this is a bullish run. Where is that too? This is a bullish run. Started from here. Now this bull run ended here. I won't lie with you. This bullish run, this bullish trend you are seeing right here, it ended here. Why? Simply because, again, substructure. Higher, this is a lower low. This high and this low. This high is the most significant high that happened, or that occurred here, and which took out this high, this high, this high, and this high, and this high as well. Taking out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 highs, 5 lower highs that formed on this downtrend, that formed whilst price was dropping. It took only one high to clear everything. This has told us something, that price is now bullish. Okay, now a bullish, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high. This is a higher low too. This is a higher low around there. Okay, a higher high, higher low, a lower high, a higher low, a higher high. Then what happened? This crash happened. This drastic crash. I caught this trade though. This was July. July last year. Hold on. Yes, July, I'm very sure. Cruisers, you can recall the day we caught this trade now, EURUSD. We took everything here, we caught this sell, took this buy. Like, guys, this is my best pair so far. So believe me when I tell you things here, believe me, like, if not everything I say, at least note some of the things down. Okay? We took this trade from here, we sold, we bought, we sold, we bought, then we had this major sell outside. I think this buy, I missed this buy, but I took a sell here, somewhere around here. I missed a buy here. This current buy, I missed it, but I'm looking to sell somewhere around here. But that's the future. I was playing why I'm looking for that sell. So this is it. This crash took out this low, took out this low, and took out this low. 3 whole lows. Guys, flashback. Remember what happened here? One particular high took out every high previously, and the trend changed to bullish. Now you're seeing this low again, taking out every other lows. Just best believe that the trend has changed from bearish to bullish. I think this video is now extremely long. I will need to cut it anytime soon. Oh my god, it's almost an hour. I'm sorry, I'm very sorry. So I hope you're enjoying it though, for real. So this is a bullish trend that changed to bearish trend. Sell, sell, sell. Now what happened now? Price is simply pulling back up just to fulfill technical levels that would also fuel market now to start crash anytime soon. Okay, this is a high, a lower low, a lower high, a higher low, a lower high, a higher low. It's like it's congesting. It's a breakout, but everything will change to bullish if we clear out this high and this trend line. If price clears this region, then best believe that yes, we might start seeing bullish EU, but for now we are still bearish. And from this high down to this high is still a zero zone, A to B to C is last matches. So price, this is nice, giving us a bearish engulfing weekly candle close. Now also a rejection, another weekly look. You had a bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing, then the weekly that followed by still printed or appeared in something like a bullish rejection. It pierced above, it pierced up, but closed in a very weak manner. Despite printing green, it's still weak for real. So this is telling us that markets might start reversing anytime soon. Might. Okay, this is a game of probability. You can't really say everything is in your favor or is in your court. Not really, man. What surprising. So this is trend line shifted around here. I'm right. See, B and R, a breakout. This is just a retest happening somewhere around here. If you take it the same way here too, see the same thing. Breakout, retesting. This is in the future, not now. So B and R happening here, retests. You might start seeing a continuation to the downside, but before that happens, you have to wait and observe. Okay, so weekly is still giving us bearish despite putting a false bullish printout, and previously we are seeing something like a left shoulder, head, and potential right shoulder. But what happened? I don't know. Price just started to fulfill that TL technical level before it started to fall down and doing what to do. So like just trying to fulfill itself first before trying to obey anything we are seeing. That's just it. This is the left shoulder, the head, and right shoulder. But this cannot about here now. Okay, if this stuff should hold, okay, this will change perspective to a double top. This will change our bias or our direction or our pattern identity to a double top, a first top, second top projections. And once this happens, neckline, the TP is somewhere around parity region. So if this guy starts rejecting from here and starts crashing, expect the euro dollar to drop all the way to parity. That's it. If you start seeing price action rejection from this region, everything around here, dollar or the euro dollar would sell, would drop to, this should be like 800 pips or okay 1.2k pips from here to here, or from here to here, 1k pips. So if you start seeing price reacting around here and then rejecting and falling, crashing, just bear in mind that we have formed a double top, and with everything pointing to the downside, you might see EURUSD at parity level, probably by next year, ending of next year or next upper year. Just say, okay. So weekly is still bearish, but this trend line, this space here, market has every possibility. Look guys, I'm favoring the downside 80%, but you shouldn't be always fixed to one side of the market to humble you. This guy, this space here, this small opening I'm seeing around here, has every power to disrupt my analysis. So Market might just be trying to as well be playing the games from us, just to come up here and feel like do a manipulation before falling, before crashing. Okay, but I don't know, I'm just saying, because this is the trend line third touch, and from what I've learned so far is that the third touch always does the trick. Lands from the burst. Okay, the third touch always does a trick, and this is his potential third touch. With just how many pips away? We have few pips shy of this region, so markets might decide to do crazy. Let's say 100 pips. So expect anything. Either we sell from there or we rally up to filling that level, that trend line third touch, and then before crashing. Any of the above, we're going to go. So weekly is still giving us bearish, but temporarily and let's say temporarily and structurally, we are printing bullish. We are printing bullish before, but PA. How will I explain this thing in layman terms? You understand now? Okay. Price action here is currently in a range-like scenario. Structurally, we are bullish, but now we are bearish on a structural standpoint, on a substructural standpoint. Okay, overall is that we are in a corrective move. On the weekly time frame, we are bullish, now we are bearish on a structural standpoint. Price action is ranging in a ranging like scenario, because from here to here is like a calabash of nothing. You feel me? So replay my words, replay what I said, that price action is in something like a ranging, we're in a ranging like scenario. Okay, giving almost the same equal highs and equal lows, did nothing, but substructurally we are bearish. That's it. So I expect price either this can also be manipulation now, because this high, every point here, higher low, higher low, was just trying to face, like, give us a fake breakout, a false breakout, and then we're still rallying inside the calabash, inside this yellow bar. So this is first false breakout, drop back in, second one, drop back in, and this is the third one. So this might be either a breakout to the upside or another false breakout manipulation before we now tank starts dropping. Because after every manipulation, you might see the overall, but the ideal market move. That's just it. I think I'm making this video too long. I need to start cutting it short and going straight to the point. 16 minutes, Ajay. Guys, please be here with me, okay? Don't leave, please don't leave. So one day, down to the one day. Now what is EU doing here? What is EU doing here? It's another reduction here. Another APG, that price obeyed somewhere around here. That's rejecting price. Another imbalance, the price obeyed somewhere around here. That's rejecting price. So this is it. So price now has stopped the imbalance. Sorry. And it's giving us everything that's looking like a sell. Okay. After imbalance mitigation plus the zealous of mitigation, we might expect EU to crash. But whilst having that high bearish expectations, but whilst having that high EU decline expectation, also note that some obstacles are on our path, like this trend line. That's one of it. Then this guy, make this guy solid. Okay, this is it. Okay, so the solid trend line. Now what happened here? Simple. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, false breakout, manipulation to the upside. They also form a double top breakout. This is the neckline double top. This is the breakouts of the double top. level top breakouts, and as well an inverted head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, breakout, retest to the upside. Now the overall TP for this is very simple. If you did from this right shoulder, this is the head, from here to here, it's correct, this is it. So price has done everything it wants to do here. This is purely exhaust. Anything outside here now is just trying to exhaust itself, and once it does that, starts crashing. That's what I know from EU so far. That's if it does the bullish move though. But if it doesn't do that stuff, you're coming down here, crashing up to this region. So this is a trend line, first, third, second, and a third. Potential third anytime soon. So I said price start dropping here. If I put my trend line from here to here as well, this is an inner trend line has been broken. You see, there are 3 trend lines. The trend within the overall trend. So this guy has been broken. This is our main trend line here. It has been broken. This is it. So weekly, daily, they are pointing bearish. So this guy might just sell to fall or sell just to mitigate or come to the region close to this trend line third touch. And once price gets here, it might have some, reasons to continue to downside. But this is our first level targets. I'm already in a sell on this guy. I'm selling EURUSD. Okay, you want to sell. So my first level targets are this region, trend line third touch, yellow bar, and Fibonacci golden zone. So I expect price to approach here. Then whenever price gets here, I should be leaving with at least 70% of my money to avoid stories, because it has every right to just tap in here and start bouncing. That's Forex for you. Forex ain't my own. It's not my dad's, it's not my mom's. It's just what I learned so far to make cash for myself. So it might come in here, mitigate, and fly up. Nothing you will do. There's nothing you and I can do. It's just shout and go and sleep. And that's it. Okay. So daily is printing bearish for me. Now on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. It's very simple. It's very simple. After last week's NFP, markets, the news was markets. Okay, I think I will stop talking. Let me just finish this video. I've already spent a hell lot of time on this stuff. I'm sorry guys, I'm very sorry for this 1 hour lengthy video. Please bear with me. I'm trying to break an EU at the best possible, at the best appearance and everything you've seen so far. That's it. So this is it. Trend line break and retest, Fibonacci golden zone. So with all expectations, price is meant to crash and keep on falling to this region. That is it. What happened is very simple. I think if you have not entered the trade yet, you have every room to enter the trade. You can just find and wait for entries. It's simple. Once price breaks trend line right here, we are already breaking the trend line. 4-hour candle close, bearish. If it's clear, hop on in and you're right to the downside. I think I'll find more sales on this guy tonight or tomorrow morning when I'm chanced. So this is it. I'm looking at this region, my potential profit taking targets. So if you're not yet on this sell, I think you should watch this guy. Just watch this guy. Watch EU like this. Watch EU this way. Okay. This is 1.81. If you can find this sell, just know how to do your SL. It's up to you. Your risk is different from my own risk, so that's what I'm doing. But once price breaks this region, breaks somewhere around here and starts putting a bearish candlestick, know that you are selling. We will sell to the downside. We will sell to the downside. Coming down here. Is it coming down here? Very simple. Price rallied up here to fill in another imbalance that's around here and starts dropping. Very simple and straightforward. Okay, guys, be at peace. FX is not hard. Okay, it's not hard. Let me show you guys my journal. I'm very serious with my journaling. I think I journaled all these stuffs. I'm very sure about that. Hold on. Bingo. Yeah, this is my journal. My trading journal. My virtual trading journal. So all this stuff I'm saying, I wrote them down 2 weeks ago or a week ago. I had planned this stuff. This is EU. I had planned this stuff. Everything is just here. The breakouts, pullback. It's very simple. So learn how to journal your trades. It's the best thing so far. It's the best gifts I can tell you so far. Journal your trades. It helps you track everything, both negative and positive results. It tracks everything for you and then gives you reasons and why you need to make decisions on, just be smart. Write things down. This is my journal for real. My trading plan for cruisers. Yeah, it's very simple. Look, if you want to learn how to do all this stuff, if you want to learn how to do this, how to analyze market like a pro, or how to just read like the way I'm dissecting EU to the very best. It's very simple. Go on to websites. Yeah, log on to zillauniversity.com or you search Forex Cruisers and you will get everything you're looking for in the market. I've got a course. This is my course. Okay, you learn everything here. It's very simple and straightforward. Learn everything. Join my channel on YouTube, on Telegram. It's just, how much is it? 99 bucks. Save yourself some stress of using indicators and learning from different source and mentors and everything. Just learn from one place or one person and be good to go. I spent an hour on EURUSD with you guys. Imagine how I spend my own personal time just to play the market. It takes time. I want to make money here. Okay, it's not gamble, it's not Las Vegas, it's not joke. It's just to make money. Okay, it's cash. That's it, man. So I guess I'll end this video right about now. I've really spent a lot of time on this stuff, talking. I'm sorry guys, it's too lengthy, but we're good to go. So watch the euro dollar. Let me sign out. I need to sign out of this stuff. Alright, so this is the price. Save yourself $99 and get the cruiser course. Grab it and you can pretty much tell what you want to do. You're about to sell, you're about to crash. So get this course and catch EU sell. Catch Euro USD selling. Very simple, guys. So that's it, man. Risk responsibly and make money. So peace out, guys. G vibes.